Alright, so what's up YouTube? It's your boy Zaestylez, and we back for another video. I feel like I ain't recorded in so long, like, cause I had a few videos just stacked up, just waiting to like be public or whatnot. But whatever. I feel like I ain't recorded in so long, but it's cool cause we back and we got another video today. I got my hair up, you feel me? I'm looking all beautiful and whatnot.
Boy.
But yeah, now we got a video. We got another unboxing. I know I do a lot of them, but it's kind of cause like I shop a lot, like, you feel me? It's a fashion channel, and I feel like if I can find something at an affordable price, a nice affordable price, I feel like I should tell y'all so y'all can find, you know, the same type of products or whatever, materials, whatever you want to call it. I feel like I should just let y'all know, about it, you know, so y'all can definitely expect a whole lot of clothes on this channel. My last video I posted a DIY, let you know how to like distress your own denim pair of pants. I feel like that's a pretty informative video. So yeah, if you haven't checked that video out, I'm gonna leave it in one of these corners. It's gonna be up there. But today, y'all, we got another unboxing. It's from Shein or Shine. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but it's the same company, and they got yeah, I was on there, you know, seeing me a nice little pair of steppers, and I got some more steppers, y'all. You feel?
High as fuck, cause a young nigga chief and fuck with us. What the dumb nigga thinking? My step was fishy, so the young bitches gig.
So I don't remember how much they was, but without further ado, we just gonna hop right into this joint. We just gonna go on for it. I lost my scissors, y'all. Well, I didn't lose them. Oh, I forgot to say it. I'm back in college. I'm back in college because I'm here taking a summer program for so I can take classes to get like ahead and whatnot. So I'm not home no more, as y'all can obviously tell. So yeah, I'm back in college, and yeah. But yeah, here go. I'm about to open these up. I left my scissors at home. I didn't lose them. That's where I left them. I left them at home. So open this. There's nothing in here. So this box, it's all like bent out of shape and whatever because I had to pack it to come here because they came to my house and I had to pack it in the car with the rest of my boxes, and yeah, but whatever. So look, we just gonna get right into it. So yeah. All right, y'all. So here we go. We about to hop right into them. So let's look at what they look like in person together. So yeah. Here we go. Oh, shoot! Oh my God! Look at those. Look at these. These joints hard. Oh, that blue cold. Ooh. Yeah. And I got a nice thick sole. Like I'm really getting into that, y'all. I wasn't necessarily ever a big old like thick sole person, but I'm getting into that. But then we got it says right here. I hope y'all can see. Nope, y'all can't. Hold on, we going. Bam, there we go. Fashion professional skateboard shoe. I don't skateboard. But yeah, y'all, these is dope. I wonder what this bottom is like supposed to look like. Like a newspaper. I don't know. I just like the red, you know, that's the main part of it, that red. But then I also like the like accents of blue that's in there, like right on here and then right over there, here. I like these a whole lot. And that's that one. And we got But yeah, y'all, I love these. And I know I ain't showed y'all none of my outfits just yet, but I promise y'all it's all coming soon. And especially with these. Oh, I dropped it. Especially with these, y'all. The outfit that I put together for these is gonna be fire. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's gonna be hard. So yeah, that's the shoe though. I hope y'all like it because I'm messing with it a lot. So yeah, now we about to I'm about to try them on, see what I got. I mean, see if they fit correctly. I think these came in the Europe sizes too. Yeah. Europe, the Europe joints. There, I gotta go way back here for 44. That's what size I got. So they should fit like the last pair. But we still gonna try them on so y'all can see what they look like on foot real quick. So yeah, that's what we about to get into. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope y'all like the shoes. I like them a whole lot. I think they look real good. I can't wait to put an outfit together with them. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, tell everybody about me, you know, let everybody know, just share my videos, share about word of mouth, share it through text message, social media, just let everybody know Zaestylez coming up, Zaestylez dropping bangers, and Zaestylez doing his thing. Thank y'all, and we out. Peace.
You took